Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire. My name's Josh. I'm going to be giving you a tour of this Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. So it's a T32 Highline 150 PS. So we'll start at the front here. Got your LED headlights, LED daytime running lights. Got your front parking sensors. And going around to the side there, you've got your 17-inch alloy wheels. And as you can see, the vehicle's finished in Fortana Red, which is a metallic paint. Go ahead inside now. So we're now in the driver's seat. As you can see, this vehicle has only done 6,020 miles. Got your leather multifunction steering wheel there with your controls. Got your headlight switch down here, you can set that to automatic. On this side you've got your wing mirror controls, so they're heated and power folding. In the middle here you've got your DAB digital radio. Your media, you can select your source down here, so you've got different options. Phone connectivity, voice control. Up here you've got your navigation system. App Connect for connecting via USB or wirelessly, because it's wired or wireless in this vehicle. Got CarPlay, got a bit of vehicle information there, you've got your menu there. Just down here you've got your button for your parking sensors, and in the middle you've got your air conditioning controls. To the side there you've got your heated windscreen button. 6-speed manual. If you put it into reverse, you can see on here you get your rear view camera as well as your front and rear parking sensors. Just to the left of that you've got your two USB-C ports, your cup holder and your 12-volt socket. You've also got another 12-volt socket up there, and cup holders both sides of the dash, as well as your storage compartments here and your glove box just down there. As you can see, you've got carpet flooring in the cab here, and you've got two seats at the front with armrests both sides of the two front seats, and 3 seats in the second row. So we're going to head to those now. So you've got your sliding door on the driver's side as well as one on the passenger side. So you've got rubber flooring here as well as your load lashing rings there. Coming around to the back, got your tailgate, got your rear view camera just there. So in the back here you've got a continuation of the rubber flooring, you've got more load lashing rings for securing your load. You've also got your lights in the roof there. And coming around to the passenger side, you've got a sliding door on this side as well. Open this door, lift up this catch here, give you access into the rear from the side door. Just push it back down, it's back into place. Open the passenger side door, those little flap here, you can see you've got your diesel and your AdBlue fillet points there. And you've got a view of the cab there from the passenger side. If you would like any more information about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 01772 911 356. Thank you for watching.